Is your Audi A3's alarm going off randomly? The most common culprits are the hood latch switch, the siren battery, or overly sensitive settings. First, check the hood latch switch for corrosion or damage. A faulty switch often triggers false alarms. Next, consider the siren battery, especially in older models. A weak battery can cause intermittent alarms. Finally, evaluate the alarm's sensitivity settings, which might be too high, causing it to react to minor vibrations. Identifying the root cause is the first step to fixing the problem. For a faulty hood latch switch, start by cleaning it with electrical contact cleaner and applying dielectric grease to prevent corrosion. If cleaning doesn't work, replace the switch with an OEM part for proper compatibility. If the siren battery is weak, replace it with a lithium-ion battery for better reliability and longer life. To adjust the alarm sensitivity, use a diagnostic tool like VCDS software or the My Audi app to lower the sensitivity setting. Remember to disconnect the car battery before working on any electrical components to prevent accidental ECU resets.